gue no understand. Dan today, hari ini adalah rainy day in Darwin. This is my first time when I arrived in Darwin since last year, but this is the most heavy rain. Oke, jadi hari ini hujannya deras banget dari sekitar jam 4 pagi sampai sekarang jam 7 mau jam 8-an. Oh my god. Darwin yang segitu panasnya hari ini hujan ternyata teman-teman, karena memasuki wet season alias musim hujan. Jadi kalau misalnya tips buat teman-teman yang mau datang ke Darwin, jangan di bulan-bulan yang musim hujan, that start from October until March. Pokoknya dia 6 bulan. Setiap 6 bulan itu Darwin ada 2 musim, dry season and wet season. Jadi untuk yang mencoba peruntungan, silakan datang ke Darwin. Jangan di bulan wet season yang gue sebutin sebelumnya, karena hujannya parah banget dan untuk dapat kerjaan juga susah. Sekarang aja gue kerja cuma seminggu 2 kali. Oh sedih. Seminggu 2 kali cuma buat apa? Buat bayar rent sama ongkos doang. Soalnya ini teman-teman, biar gue nggak mati kelaparan. Oke, kalau kalian mau tahu gimana hujan derasnya, yuk keluar. Lihat suaranya aja udah kayak gini. Oke guys, ini dari luar kosan gue. Habis ya, ada teman-temannya, ada pohon cabai, segala-galanya. It's like not in Australia because we have banana, papaya, and cherry, and bayam, spinach ya. Lihat. Terus banget kan, gue berangkatnya naik apa coba? I don't have a car. If I have a car, it's better because I will not work wet. And now it will become wet. Luckily, I already bought boots for rainy season, and also I have Crocs, my baby Crocs. Yeah. That's the solution for you. Semoga nggak ada thunder deh. Kalau masih kayak gini sih gue oke-oke aja. Maksudnya nggak ada thunder, nggak mengenakan. Waduh, ini harus tahu juga lagi. Tahu. Seperti ya guys, sepatu andalan kok. It's the best shoes when you work in the kitchen area because this is waterproof and this is not slippery, nggak licin, nggak basah. Ini juga bagus men kalau buat musim hujan. I like it, I am buy it. Ini model terbaru Crocs, Neria Woman Crocs too, and it's so difficult to find it. I mean, like in the counter there is no, and I tried to ask my friend in Korea. You know, Korea is the most stylish country, and in Korea also there is no woman area clothes like this. I found it in website of Australian Crocs, and you can buy that. It's unfair because a white color for Neria only 34 $5. For the black one, it's around 70,000. Oh no, that's expensive. But I have to buy the black one because when you walk in Australia, you need a black shoe, full black shoe. So sometimes I use this shoes also. It's a nice shoes. Around $20. Tapi bagus banget. My favorite shoes, another shoes. I'm wearing Air Max, Nike. But I cannot using this because the color has a white color. So sometimes I just using it when I am going to hang out or running. Yeah. Yang bikin berat dari koper gue itu ya ini, gue selalu beli yang namanya sepatu. Kenapa kita ngebahas sepatu ya? Karena kita lagi ngebahas hujan. Oke, nanti gue kasih lihat ya gimana penampilan gue going to work with umbrella. Taking bus in Australia in Mexico in rainy day. Oke, jangan kemana-mana. Hey guys, keadaan di luar, aduh, mobilnya pada cepet-cepet banget deh gitu. Air hujannya nyepret-nyepret. Woi, bismillah. Let's go. Oh my god. Lebih enaknya ya kalau di Aussie itu we have the path for the people that walking or using a bicycle, so this is the path for them. It's safe for us if we are walking, and here yeah, because the car has the road and the people has the road. Not like in Indonesia. Yeah, the car or the motorcycle always using our road. That's unfair. And when we are angry at them, they will angry back of us. Negara berbunga, negara berbunga. Negara siapa sih? Okay, that's the bus stop. Suara hujannya kencang plus suara mobil-mobil. So I'm sorry for the voice. Please turn up your volume. Okay guys, ini kan dingin banget sih. Banyak binatang-binatang na terbang ke sini. Here, that's my bus. Come on. Okay, I'm going to naik bus dulu.